Hi dear students, how are you all of you? You all are very warmly welcome on our YouTube channel. Dear students, this is our lesson number 4 and see here they have given number 4. The name of the lesson is Shapes and Patterns. What is the name of the lesson? Shapes and Patterns that we are going to understand. Here dear students, in this lesson we are going to understand different kinds of shapes. Yes, this lesson is very much easy and interested. Dear student, you can see the spelling of shapes. SHAPES, shapes. Yes, do you remember these shapes? Do you remember these shapes even we have learned in the nursery, junior KG and even senior KG also? Yes, this is which shape it is? See, Ricky, rectangle is my name. What is my name? Rectangle. My four sides are not the same. My name is rectangle and my these four sides are not same. Two are short and two are long. These two sides are short and these two sides are long. My two sides are short and two sides are long. Count my sides. Come along 1, 2, 3, 4. See, these are the sides of rectangle 1, 2, 3 and 4. Two sides are long and two sides are shorts. Okay, this is the rectangle. What is the spelling of rectangle? RECTANGLE, rectangle. Yes, I am Tommy Triangle. Who am I? I am Tommy Triangle. Spell of triangle is TRIANGLE. TRIANGLE, triangle. Look at me. Count my sides. There are 1, 2, 3. See, I have 3 corners and my 3 sides are 1, 2, 3. Yes, I am triangle. TRIANGLE. Now, Semi Square is my name. What is my name? Semi Square. My four sides are just the same. How are my sides? These sides are just the same. Turn me around. I don't care. However I turn, I don't care. If you turn anyhow, I will be remain the same. I am always the same. I am square. Yes, okay. If you turn me anyhow, I am the same. I will remain same because I am square. See, these squares four sides are same. Yes, 1, 2, 3 and 4. I am Kera circle. Who am I? I am Kera circle. Watch me turn round and round. Yes, watch me turn round and round. And you will learn I am not straight. See, is this circle straight? No, circle is not straight at all. My outside edges never end and edges are never getting end. Yes, here this is rectangle, this is triangle, this is square and this is circle dear student. You have to keep it in your mind. Now here we will understand next question and activities there. See, circle the rectangle pink, square yellows, triangle red and circle green. That you have to do the activity color. See, all the triangles, all the rectangles I have to give which color? Pink. Let's count, let's search where are the rectangles. See, this is rectangle, so which color I have to give here? pink color. You also can give it. Yes, this is also rectangle, pink color I have to give. This is also rectangle, pink color I have to give. Yes, and this is also rectangle. Here you can give the perfect color. Yes. Now next is which color next? See, squares yellow color. This is yellow color. You have to give to the squares. See the squares. Two squares are there. See this yellow color you have to give to this color. You can give this color neat and tidy. I don't have that much time, so I am just showing you how you have to do this. Yes. Now triangle, red color you have to give to the triangles. Triangles are many. See here you have to give red color. 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 Here also and here also. Yes. And circle, which color dear student? To circle you have to give green color. Understood? This was the activity. You can do it very nicely. Here is also one circle remain. That also you can do. Now come on the next. Match the following shapes with their names. Match the following shapes with their names. See, what is it? Circle, triangle, rectangle, square. Where is the circle? Where is the circle, dear students? This is the circle, and where is the spelling of circle, dear student? C-I-R-C-L-E. So we have to join this. Yes, with the scale. Now triangle is there. T-R-I-A-N-G-L-E. So we'll join this triangle with spelling triangle. Now next rectangle is there. R-E-C-T-A-N-G-L-E. Rectangle. And next square is remain. S-Q-U-A-R-E. Yes, understood? Now here name the shape of the following objects. Which shape it is, dear student? This is circle. So you have to write the spell of circle. What is it? C-I-R-C-L-E. Circle. Yes. This is square. S-Q-U-A-R-E. Square. Next is what? Triangle. T-R-I-A-N-G-L-E. Triangle. Yes. Next is what? Rectangle. R-E-C-T-A-N-G-L-E. Rectangle. Yes, this is also square. S-Q-U-A-R-E. Square. And this is rectangle again. R-E-C-T-A-N-G-L-E. Yes, circle, square, triangle, rectangle, square, rectangle. Yes. Now come on the next page. See dear student, here we are going to understand something different is patterns. Yes, look at the patterns, filling the boxes, following the same patterns. What is it? Square, circle, square, circle, square, circle. What will come here? We have to continue with the pattern. Again it will come here. Square. Yes, and again it will come here. Circle. Understood? Here is one lollipop. Two. One, two, one, two. Here will be the one, and here will be two. Yes. Now here see the lines they have given L, opposite and straight. Yes. Here this it is at that side. It's different. Yes or no? How we can do this now? At like that and like that. Yes. See, upside down it is given. These pictures we can see the lollipop. One is at upside, one is at down. Up, down, up, down. Then again it will come upside, and again it will come at downside. Yes. Now circles are given. In one circle is one dot, another two dots, one dot, two dots, one dot, two dots. Again it will continue with the one dot and then two dots. Then we are continue with the pattern. Yes. Triangles are there. One corner is at upside, one corner is at downside. One corner is at upside, one corner is at downside. This one is at up, this one is at down. This one is at up, this one is at down. Understood? Now squares are there, but there are vowels also. These vowels are having slanting lines are given, opposite slanting lines. See, so here it will, the square will come and slanting oval will become inside, and again it here square will come and slanting will come. Yes. Now the dots are there, but these dots are upside down. Here up are there, down, up, down, but in the square only. Yes. So how here we will draw? Yes, here we have finished this. Okay, fill in the patterns in missing boxes. Here we have to do red one, and here we have to do yellow. Yes. Here patterns are there, arrow is there. This arrow it will be up. Yes, this arrow it will up, this arrow it will at downside. Triangles are given here, one triangles, two triangles, one triangles, two triangles, two triangles are there. Here it will again one triangle. Yes, like that we have to complete this exercises patterns. Now activities remain. We will start with the activity. Maths lab activity. The material required 10 set of 12 assorted shapes. Okay, 12 shapes we need. Cut out of the cardboards or plastics. Procedure: divide students into groups of 4. Okay, give one set of mixed shapes to each other. Name the students of each group as C, R, S, T. 2 indicates each shape. Yes, C means circle, R means rectangle, S means square, and T for triangle. Instruct students to sort out the shapes. Students in group C will now count the number of circles. Student in group R will count the number of rectangle, and students of the S, they will count square, and students from the T group, they will count triangles. Students can also be encouraged to make different patterns using the shapes. Yes, and students can have their different patterns of using the shapes also. Now here we are going to see the HOTS. We will understand. Find the words hidden in these jumble letters. Jumble red letters are there. TRECGLANE. What will be there, students? What will be that? This is rectangle. Now R E C T A N G L E, rectangle. This will be the USAREQ, square. SQUARE. This will be the circle. CIRCLE. This is triangle. TRIANGLE. Understood, dear student? Here we have finished our lesson. Thanks to listen me, dear students. If you are new on our channel, please subscribe it and get the more videos of Standard First. Thank you.